Welcome to my office. I brought you here today because I wanted to talk more about indoor plants. You know, we talk a great deal about our gardens and our landscape and the outdoor plants. We don't talk very often about what kind of plants we can bring indoors. Plants can improve our mood when we feel down. You know that they clean the air and remove particulates. They make oxygen and remove carbon dioxide. So it's great to have some of these around. Studies have shown that students learn better, that employees are more productive when they have indoor plants. And they're very easy to grow. As a matter of fact, they don't require a lot of care. Most people tend to overwater indoor plants. If you just think of it on a schedule, maybe once a week, check your plants. Check the soil. You can tell when it's dry. You can use your finger, just stick it in there. When it's hard and kind of crusty, it's time to water again. In fact, you don't have to fertilize very often, just a couple times a year with a liquid fertilizer at about half the recommended dose. Now make sure that you have a window that has a great deal of light, or at least some fluorescent lighting. Tropical plants and succulents do great indoors, and they don't require too much light. Remember, they don't require a whole lot of water either. Be sure not to put it in the place where it'll get a lot of draft, and these plants will provide you so much joy. There's a lot of benefits to having indoor plants. So improve your life by bringing a little bit of the outdoors in. For Get It Growing, this is Heather Kirk-Ballard with the LSU Ag Center.